stopped and took a break. Sprinkled a little bit. So now we're going to drive out the pipeline and check out some of the other trails. Turn off that external mic. I know once you get going so fast, all you hear is wind. So yeah, we're going to go out this way, right on the pipeline. This is actually the pipeline. It's buried under the ground right here. Then it pops up every now and then until you get a little farther north. Then it's up all the time pretty much. So we're gonna ride out this way and see if we can find any trails that we can take and explore. Steep hill. This is mile 447 of the Alaska pipeline. You know he's going to hit this hill over here. Look at this nice green valley. It's not a bad road. We can usually go like 70 or 80 on this road. Make good time. I hope no animal ever runs out in front of us. Big moose run out. Imagine broadside in the side of a moose. Pow! Do what Cycle Cruisers tells you to do. Stand up and launch yourself off the foot pegs. Every now and then a big bug will bounce off my shield and make a big loud knocking sound. Don't! I'm glad my shield was down. 446. Ooh, man, I don't know if that was a bug or a rock. Wow, they put up a bunch of signs out here. That valley over there. Boy, look at that black cloud. Looks like we're gonna get wet. Look at all the snow along this road here. It's a lot of snow. Woo, boy, the wind's picking up. Closer we get to this big storm front. The heck are you taking me, Chris? Oh, the wind about blew us over in the other lane. It's blowing pretty hard. Jeez, this is gonna blow me off the bike. Oh, that's a nice view. see the sunshine hitting the valley way over there. And rain in between. Holy crap. That is some slick mud. It's raining. Grouse. Ooh, look at that view. Jeez, look how muddy that is. The ground's so... Dude, the ground is so soft, it looks like Jello you're riding on. The whole ground is moving like you're on a blanket of Jello.
I stalled out and grabbed my tire so hard.
But I'm just saying, wherever you are, I see the ground depressing with your weight.
What about that snot there?
Yeah.
All right, well, we're almost out.
I was going to say, it's all... Look at that. Wow. The ground is soaked. That's why it feels like that. Feels like I'm riding on a big bowl of Jello. The ground is so saturated with water. That's some soft stuff, man.